Can you hear me, Randy? Hello. I really hope that Mr. Oliver can hear me. Hello, Randy.
Ага, все слышно.
Okay, we can hear you now. Mr. Oliver, you are late in our session. That's why I can give you 7 minutes to speak. Is it enough?
Да, можно у вас...
Yes, you can. You have 5 minutes to go.
Да, вас прекрасно.
Yes, we can. We can hear you well. So please start speaking.
Okay. Oh, English. Okay. I'm sorry. I was off for an hour, and I just woke up this moment. Okay. This is a slideshow about modeling burrow population dynamics. My name is Randy Oliver. I'm a commercial beekeeper and researcher in California. We run about 1,500 hives for pollination, and we gave up using
enough that it inspired the honey industry to contact U.S. Pharmacopoeia to consider writing a standard that could be applied in the United States. So that is why we started our work in this area.
Спасибо большое.
Thank you very much. I'm asking you to switch your presentation on.
I believe
Great.
I'm sharing my screen.
Да.
That's right. That's right.
Okay.
We can see. You can start.
Oh, thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Gina Clapper. I'm a principal scientist with U.S. Pharmacopoeia, working in